Hello. So this is a bit different, as you can see. This is a long form video, which is not something that I have done before on this channel. And it's a good time I'm starting now because I feel like what I'm going to be doing for a little bit, some of the things I'm going to be doing are not really meant for short form content, if you get that. So, yeah, this is going to be a longer video. If any of you are even returning viewers, which I highly doubt, considering I have 9 subscribers as of making this video. So, yeah, but if you are familiar with my shorts, then you can see I have my set here with my not straight set with Godzilla and Hedorah here looking like they're about ready to make out with each other. And it's great. It's great. So, what I have in store for you today is a little bit of a pack opening. I got a 5-pack here of Hot Wheels. Because you know this whole channel is about Hot Wheels, right? And this one is the Hot Wheels Drag Strip Pack. And I got this pack primarily for this guy right here. That is what looks like to be a pro stock or pro mod something, some sort of, actually I don't know if it's a pro stock. What is it? This is a 1988 Ford Thunderbird. Okay. Either way, it's a Thunderbird. I love this generation of Thunderbirds, and it's in the drag configuration. In fact, it might be the same mold as this one. If you remember, I also did an opening on this car. It was my first shorts video of a car opening I've ever done on this channel. So, it looks like the same mold, but this one has a cool paint style. And this one also has a cool paint style, but that's besides the point. So anyway, yeah, this is our... Okay, I gotta get it all in the shot here. This is what we're gonna be doing today. And I hope it's fun, and I hope it's enjoyable, and I hope you guys leave today with a newfound understanding of life. Because we're changing lives here. Anyway, so this is gonna be the first opening that I do in a long form video. In the future, I have some other ones here that I may do. I have another pack, and I have a Matchbox pack, even though I'm probably not going to do much of the Matchbox, because I just found this. I did not buy this. I just got this for some reason. I just have it. But, anyway, so, let's go ahead and start. And, oh yeah, by the way, this is my voice. My first time using my voice. If you go on the older videos on my channel, please don't. They have an AI voiceover, which absolutely sucked, and I hated it, and it was awful, and I would rather die than use an AI voiceover for this video. So yeah, anyway, too much talking, let's do it. You guys are here for this pack, or you're not even here at all. Who knows, maybe I have zero views on this video. Anyway, so let's look at what we got. We have a Thunderbird, we have what looks to be a Corvette, a Gasser Corvette, which Gassers are always cool. I love Gassers. And what is this abomination? What is this supposed to be? I genuinely don't know. And there's this thing, which looks like it has twin turbos on it, which is cool. And there's a funny car. Another Mustang funny car. That will be my third Mustang funny car that I have. But luckily, they're all different colors. So this will be great. It'll be fun. It'll be enjoyable. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. So I plan on doing this video with minimal editing, just to give it a sort of seamless appearance. I'm not really a big fan of those overtly edited videos, even though I know those will get more views. To me, it just doesn't seem like the type of content I would like to make. So, whatever, I'll rip it. I'm sorry. I apologize to all of you hardcore collectors for doing this, but hey, this costs like $5. It's not really a collectible if it's $5. Yep. Anyway, so here we are. Anyway, so here is our lineup of cars. So, this is our prized possession. This is our 88 Ford Thunderbird. And in a drag configuration. I love the red on this. This is such a pretty color. I don't really know what to call it. Perhaps cherry red? I'm not exactly sure. All I know is it's a pretty color. If anyone knows, please tell me. And it's got a nice two-tone. When I initially saw this at the store, I thought it was a Fox Body Mustang. And I love Fox Bodies. They very well might be my favorite Mustang. But anyway, as you can see, it's the same mold as this one. Just difference in color. Though, as to which one I like more, I don't know. I think I like this one more. I swear I'm going to put a counter of how many times my phone has fallen. But anyway. So yeah, I like this one more. It just has a cooler paint. It has really cool decals. Cool two-tone. This one also has a two-tone. I like this little stripe here, but I just like this one more. So let's have you guys over here. And so we move on to our Corvette gasser here with big old supercharger, unnecessarily large. And you know it's a gasser when the exhaust goes out of the fender. It's great. Love it. Yeah, get back there. And as for what the heck this is, I'm not exactly sure. But hey, we're going to find out together. It is the HCT44. And this is supposed to be a drag car. Which, yeah, I can see it. It kind of looks like a dragster. Except it's rear-engined, apparently. Like a Porsche. And it's got this wing on over the top of the engine. I don't know. I don't know what this is. It's got what in the, why does it have wings here? I don't know. What? This is confusing me. So I don't know what this is. I straight up don't know what this is supposed to be. But anyway, yeah, go away. I don't like you. And as for this looks cool. I will say. It has a wheelie bar. It's got twin turbos. And it's called, what's it called? Nitro Door Slammer. Nitro DS. I like this. I like this car. This is cool. I like twin turbo drag cars. They're always cool. And I like how the spoiler is integrated into the body itself. That's very seamless. But of course, I'm not an expert on this stuff. So I'll stop giving my opinion on it. And finally, we have our little Mustang dragster. Which, it looks cool. I like the livery. It's very cool. It's a nice little livery. And, like I said before, it'll complete my set of other Mustang dragsters. Don't they look so cool? But I did hear there is a treasure hunt Mustang dragster somewhere. Whether or not I'll find it, I don't know. Either way, I'm not buying it online because I don't want to pay $1 billion. Nor do I really collect this stuff intensely. Usually my policy when it comes to collecting things is I only buy the things that I like, personally. I don't really buy stuff to complete a set. I don't do that. I only buy the parts of the set that I personally enjoy. And I think that's a good strategy, especially if you're strapped for money and you don't need to spend a bunch of money on everything in a set. Only buy the ones that you like, okay? That'll save you a bunch of money and it'll save you a bunch of hassle. If you feel like you don't personally need it, you probably don't need it. But if you like something a lot, go ahead. Just don't feel obligated to buy the whole set just because you have one part of it. And you'll do just fine. So anyway, so that is our little pack opening here. I hope you all had a fun and enjoyable experience. As per if I recommend this or not, sure, go ahead. It's cheap. Go buy it. I don't care. Buy whatever you want. I don't care. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this long form video. Of course, I'll be doing more, perhaps. The whole reason why I'm even starting this channel in the first place is to have an excuse to buy this stuff so I can potentially in the future justify it by making money off the videos, which that'll probably not happen for a long time, but that's okay. I'm patient. I can wait it out. So yeah, so come back soon and I'll be waiting. So yeah, I'll be here. Come back soon and have a nice day.